Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter construction of 10th mathematics. This is chapter 11. It is very important chapter for the board point of view. You will get at least one question there. See, before starting the exercise questions, we are to do some basics of construction. First of all, I am taking equal angles. You are seeing this ABC is an angle, and we want to draw a angle equal to this without using protractor, or you can say D. With the help of compass we can make same angle or equal angle here. First of all, you see how we can draw this. First of all, you put your compass here and open and draw an arc. You can draw this arc like this. You draw an arc, and the same arc you will draw here. This you will do. Then you will measure the arc. This you measure up to here, and the same you just cut it here. What you will get it, you will find the same angle here with the help of compass, and you see these two angles are, if I write the name R, this RPQ or QPR, this angle and this angle are same. Again I am repeating. First of all, what is this? How to make equal angles? First of all, you will put your compass here, then draw an arc. The same arc you will have, and you will put here where you want to make the equal angle. Then you draw an arc, then you will measure this arc, and then you cut it here, and then you draw this. Now these two angles are equal angles. These and equal, the property, the concept or basic what we have discussed here, it will be applied to draw parallel lines. You see, this is a very important part in class 10th construction. Parallel lines, how we can draw parallel lines. For example, this is a line. If you take it as it is A, it is B, and this is C. BC is a line or line segment you can say, and then it is D. From here we want to draw a line parallel to BC. How we can draw? The same concept will be applied. You know, corresponding angles are equal. It means if we draw here two corresponding angles which are equal, then the lines are parallel. Same, what you will do now? You take compass, you can open any of arc, or you can put your compass here, open, then draw an arc, and the same arc, what you will do, you put your compass here and then draw another arc, then measure this arc and then cut it here. Now with the help of scale you will see there, this is parallel to this. I think students, you are able to draw parallel lines on this DE. If I write here DE is parallel to this BC, and DE both are parallel. You can see the distance between this. If you want to draw another one, if you want to draw here parallel to DE, the same way you can do this. You can draw an arc here, or you can extend this. Again, corresponding angles you are to draw. You can do this. What you will do? You draw an arc, then measure this, then cut it, and what will be you will find the line which is parallel to this. You can see here this is parallel to this and this parallel. All three lines are parallel because this angle equal to this. These are corresponding angles. If we make equal angles, then we can draw parallel lines. Another one is perpendicular bisector of a line segment. It is very important. This will be applicable in this. You take this is line segment AB. If we want to draw perpendicular bisector of this, what you will do? You will just take compass, open more than half. Why we are opening more than half? If we open less than this, then the two arcs will not intersect. So open more than half and draw an arc here upward and downward of this line segment, and from here this A, you draw an arc intersecting both arcs this. Then you join these two points where these two arcs are intersecting, and we can draw this is perpendicular bisector. If we take it, it is O. This is perpendicular bisector of AB, means it is perpendicular also and the bisector also. Bisector means this part AO equal to OB. I think you are able to